Here's an end of week 1 video of the veneer log siding. Still got that little rip cut to put up there. We started that wall over there. Got all the material there. Soffit fascia. Hewn 2x4s around the windows and doors and garage door. This is the biggest wall we did right here. That's a monster. Four days, and this is all we, well, three and a half days. This is all we did. We're cutting it short today. We're now on our way home. Hour and a half away from home. So we're headed out right now. All hewn 2x4s around the doors. Oh, we still got some caulking there to do. We still got this wall. It's got like 20 windows to do. I got this wall to do. It's got 6 windows, fascia and soffit. She's a beast.